Hey guys, we got this Altians USB-A to USB-C cable adapter for test and try. So they are the 10 Gbps high-speed USB 3.2 converter with the 10 Gbps data transfer and a 60-watt fast charging as well. So it's compatible with the laptop PCs or the flash drives. So basically you can see it's a pack of two, and then really nice packing as I can see it here, and then just see, so it's a braided wire, so it's more durable as you can see. This is one side is the USB-A with a 3.2 and then a USB-C. So it's a high speed data transfer thing, so if you want to transfer your data really fast you can use this with the data cable supplied with the mobile. And also you can see there's an unbreakable thing here, so it's not easy to break with that small rubbery thing. And this also supports up to 60-watt 3 ampere fast charging, so that's also cool. And as I said, these are two packs, so they comes with this two pack thing, and it's the extended like soft grip with the handle anti-breakage, and then the type C female connector, plug and play resistant, and a strong braided wire bend resistant. So I'm just putting in this USB-C from the mobile. So this USB and then USB-A goes into a fast adapter. Just to show it to you, this is a 65-watt charger that I'm using, and it critically start charging at a really high speed. This is a nice USB-A to USB-C adapter.